Miss Ashi will recite Taus Tasmiya, Pray for Knowledge, Article 1 with translation and Surah Kausar. So you can listen first, then you can recite with Miss Ashi. First you listen. You guys are not listening, so I will mute yourself. First you listen, then you can recite. Fine? Now everyone fold your arms. Sit proper in manner. Then we start our day with the name of Allah.
Just wait, okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Pray for knowledge. Rabbi zidni ilma. O Lord, increase me in knowledge. Pray for knowledge. Rabbi zidni ilma. O Lord, increase me in knowledge. Pray for knowledge. Rabbi zidni ilma. O Lord, increase me in knowledge. Pray for parents. Rabbirhamhuma kama rabbayani saghira. Pray for parents. Rabbirhamhuma kama rabbayani saghira. Ameen ya Rabbul Alameen. Article number 1. पहला कलमा तैयब माने पाक ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाहु मुहम्मदुर रसूलुल्लाह. Translation: There is no God beside Allah, and Muhammad, peace be upon him, and his prophet of Allah. Article number 1. पहला कलमा तैयब माने पाक ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाहु मुहम्मदुर रसूलुल्लाह. Translation: There is no God beside Allah, and Muhammad, peace be upon him, and his prophet of Allah. Now pray for drinking milk. Pray for drinking milk. Allahumma barik lana fihi wazidna minhu. Pray for milk. When you will drink milk, first you will be recite prayer and then you will drink your milk. Allahumma barik lana fihi wazidna minhu. Allahumma barik lana fihi wazidna minhu. This is a prayer for before drinking milk. Now what we will do next? We will do the next accounting. Okay, now.
Should I unmute them?
Start. Okay.
Then they will say with you, na?
लेकिन जो प्लीज जो नॉइस करना उसकी म्यूट कर दीजिएगा.
Okay, fine.
Now everybody learn counting with me. Okay?
Unmute yourself.
Now this is the counting. Now
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
everyone
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11,
Very good. Very nice.
13, 14, 13, 16, 17,
Okay, now everyone learn after me.
20, 21,
22, 23,
23,
24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 30. Very good. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very good. Okay, now again, start counting again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30. 30. Please don't make a noise. Please, everyone.
You are keeping the hand in your ears and you are shouting. No. Be a nice baby. Don't shout. Good. Hasan Abdullah, you also not shouting. Okay. Follow
Okay, now I am just asking the question. Which number I write it?
39.
Which number is this?
8.
Which number is this? 8. Which number is this?
8.
Okay. Which number is this?
1.
7. Which number is this?
1.
7. Who say 1?
Hassan is saying 1.
Which number is this?
2.
2. 2.
Number.
Very good. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, now which number is this?
2. 1. 2.
21. Well done. 2, 1, 21. Great job.
2 or 1.
Okay.
I'm great teacher.
Which number is this?
3.
The number
3. Which number is this? 3. Good job. Okay, now. How many stars are these?
Star.
How many stars are these? Let's count.
4.
Count it 1, 2,
2.
3.
How many stars?
How many stars are these?
1, 2, 3.
Show your finger.
1,
4
2, 3.
stars. How many stars? 4 stars. Good job. Okay. How many trees are these?
1.
What is this? What is this? Tree. How many trees are these?
Show your finger.
These are 2 trees. These are 2 trees. Very good. Okay, which shape I make it? Which shape is this? Heart. Heart. Okay, very good. Okay, now which shape is this? Which circle? Which shape is this? Circle. Okay, which shape is this? Rectangle. Well done. Well done. Good job. Good job. Okay.
Triangle, triangle. They are saying triangle.
Triangle is square. Square. Good job. Well done. Well done. Good job. Well done. Well done. Very nice. You did it very great job, all of you. Very nice.
Clap for yourself. Very nice.
Okay, now open your 8 fingers. Show me your 8 fingers. Show me your 8 fingers. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 fingers. I open 8 fingers or not?
There is saying just 8 fingers.
At least 8 fingers.
5 in one hand and 3 is in other hand.
Okay, show me your 2 thumbs. Show me your 2 thumbs. Show me your 2 thumbs. Thumbs up. This is 2 thumbs up. We have 2 thumbs up. Okay. Touch your nose. Everybody touch your nose. Touch your nose. This is my nose. It's my nose. Yes or no? It's my nose. My nose is here. My nose is here. My nose is here. Yes or no?
Say yes.
Is correct? Yes. Okay, everybody show your teeth. Everybody show your teeth. Who brush your teeth in the morning? Show me your teeth. Everybody brush the teeth.
Brush your teeth twice a day. Brush your teeth twice a day. Daytime or night time.
Very good. Okay. What we will do? Let's start. Abacada. Abacada. Ga. Ha. I. Okay, let's sing a poem of avocado. Start again. Avocado. Okay. What is this? Can you please tell me the name of these pictures? Milk, monkey. Can you please tell me the beginning sound of this picture? No, not doodh. Milk. What is the beginning sound of all these pictures? These picture of the beginning sound of is for milk, is for mitten, is for monkey, is for moon. Is for monkey, is for milk, is for mitten, is for moon. Show the picture, all of you. The beginning sound of all these pictures are What is the beginning sound of monkey? What is the monkey? What is the beginning sound of moon? Hmm. Hmm. Okay. What is which sound I write it? Tell me. Which sound is this? K. 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 Or which sound is this? Which sound is this? W. Which sound is this? W. W is for watermelon. W is for watermelon. Y is for wall. W is for watch. Okay.
बेटा आप देखो रॉकेट कह रहा हूँ रॉकेट
Which sound is this? Zigzag. No, zigzag. Yes, zigzag. But what is the beginning sound of zigzag? What is the beginning sound of zigzag? This is a sound. This is a sound of
क्या कह रही है टीचर? बोलो कि
Okay, now let's start. How many months in a year? There are 12 months in a year. There are 12 months in a year. There are 12 months in a year. January, February, March, April, May, June and July, August, September, October, November and December. Now, everyone sing a poem of month of a year. January, February, March, April, May, June and July, August, September, October, November and December. These are 12 months in a year. January, February, March, April. Miss Aram, please those who student who is shouting.
Yes, I think
January,
and
February,
Emma,
March, April, May, June and July, August, September, October, November and December. These are the months of year. January. Repeat after me, everyone. January, February, March, April, May, June and July, August, September, October, November and December.
आपको मंथ्स नेम पढ़ा रही हूँ
How many days in a week? How many days in a week?
say complete sentence and don't make a noise.
There are
You are in class. Good babies.
7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. We are growing, we are growing day by day, day by day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And Sunday. Sunday is our holiday. We are growing,
Sunday.
we are growing day by day, day by day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And Sunday. Sunday is our holiday. Yes. And what is the day today? Miss Eram, say to you, what is day today? Today is
In the beginning of the
today is
tell to you.
Wednesday. Today is
Wednesday. Which day is today?
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
यहाँ देखिए
And which month is going on? Which month is going on? Month.
Teacher, March is going
No,
on.
it's not. March is not going on.
It's a December.
No.
It's a December. No.
July is going on.
July. Very
July
good,
is going
Abba.
on.
Ahmed, you are not saying which month is going on? July. बहुत slow बोलते हैं अहमद, लेकिन बोल लेते हैं. Okay, fine. It's time to learn something. Now everyone sit attentively. And first of all,
Miss Eram, continue your work.
I will mute them all. Now everyone sit proper and then look at the screen. We are talking about the another part of computer, that is I must show the picture.
Show me.
That is keyboard. That is keyboard. That is keyboard. Did you see the picture? Nod your head, then I know you see the picture. Nod your head. This is keyboard. You didn't see, Abbas? You didn't see? You are nodding, moving head like this. We are talking about keyboard. Keyboard is a device. Keyboard is a device used to input information into a computer. Used to input information into a computer. It's contain many buttons called keys. It contains many buttons called keys. You must watch the video which teacher is posting in the YouTube channel. Okay, parts of computer video. And it's also pasted in the university as well, where I gave the homework, parts of computer. The first one, there I paste that video. So you must watch many times. Then you realize, because there is more information. And you can realize which part do which work. Keyboard has many buttons. You can see the buttons, and it has the names A, B, D, F, G, now F3, now CTRL, now caps lock, many buttons, and different button has different names. So it's called a keyboard. What we call keyboard. You can speak with me. What we call keyboard. I am watching your face. You guys are not speaking. Say with me, keyboard.
Keyboard.
Everyone speak up. Very nice, Ahmed. I am watching to Ahmed. Ahmed is saying with me. Hassan Abdullah, speak up. Keyboard. Which device is
Keyboard.
that? Abbas, stop
Keyboard.
writing, bete. And look at the screen. Which device is that? Keyboard. Keyboard. Very good. And it contains many buttons. Now I will share the real one too. Now you can see the real keyboard which we all are having at home. You can see. See this? It has many buttons. Some buttons are long, some small, and some very small. Some has numbers. All are buttons, and these buttons are called keys. These buttons are called keys.
Keys.
What we call to that? Keys. So today we are learning the another part and very important part of the computer, that is keyboard. That is keyboard. Speak with me, keyboard. Everyone unmute yourself
Keyboard.
and say keyboard. What is this?
Keyboard.
Speak up. What is this?
Very good, Hassan.
What is this?
Very good, Abbas.
Keyboard.
Very good, Ahmad.
Very nice.
Hassan Abdullah. Very good. Very nice, Hassan Abdullah. Well done.
Now, after this learning, we have to do something new. I have some activity for you. Today we are learning our name and recognize our name letters. Everyone sit proper, Appa, sit proper. Hassan Abdullah and Hassan. Sit proper way. Hassan Abdullah, don't get it. Very nice. Now, what is my name? My name is Iram. My name is Iram. So I have some activity for you. Look, I have a bowl, and in this bowl there are some letters inside. There are some letters inside. Name letters and then make my name. Yes, I know your name is Sayyid Hassan Ali. Yes, I know. Now I will try to find my name letter. My name start with the A. Found it A. After A, my name sound has so I found and my name has a sound. So I will try to find my here is it. I got it. Then my name has sound. So I will try to find as well. Where are you? Okay, I got it. Now you can see. Just wait.
दोनों को मार दे
Now see,
Kai.
this is my name. A Iram. It's a Iram. Yes, now we are doing the another activity with the patterns. Look, I have some patterns. And what I do, I write letters on pattern. Now I am finding my name. First of all, I found
There.
You can see.
There.
I found A and
There. Right.
X downside of A. Then I found which sound I want to found. I must found and I got it. Then I need a sound. I got it and fix it. Then I need sound. And where is where is Yes, I got it. And I fix Now you can see A, iram. So you can also do this activity with you. Okay, with your name. If the class is going to be closed, so you come join again quickly. Okay. We are not doing a 10 minutes break today. Now, we will do same activity with the name of Miss Ashi. First of all, I will try to found the name.
Can you please tell me the beginning sound of my name?
P.
What is the beginning sound of my name? She. What is the beginning sound?
Miss, your name beginning sound is Pa?
No. She. She. What is the beginning sound? You will find out your beginning sound first.
Abbas, speak up. Ahmed, speak up.
My beginning sound of name is
So
and
first of
Abbas,
all,
your also beginning sound is Abbas.
Try to found the with my bar.
Ahmad.
I got it. Then so I got. Then I found. Here is it. Then the last sound is
E.
E. Put a dot on the top. Put a dot on the top. And I got all the letters of name Miss Ashi. Now I will show you. Just a minute. Just a minute. Now you can see the name of Miss Ashi as well. Did you see? Ashi.
She.
Now we are doing same activity with the pegging as well. Now I must take the name card and find out from my pegging bowl. First of all, I need a sound. So I got it. Then I try to found. I got it. Then I fix here. Then I need. So I will try to found the sound. I got it. And I am going to fix it. Then the last sound is E. And I got it. And we can fix. Wow! We have the name of Miss Ashi with the package.
My name is completed. The all of sound.
Ashi. Now, you all do this activity with your home pagging. It's my home paggings and I write it on the letters on it. So you can also tell to your mama. She will write the letters on it and you can do this. So, let's start with the kids. Now, which name we can found first? Ahmed ka dhune hum sabse pehle? We can try to find out.
Ahmed.
Okay. Now,
What is the beginning sound of Ahmed?
Ahmad.
Ahmad, what is the beginning? Ah.
Beginning sound?
Ah.
Ah, very nice. I got it.
What come?
See? Ah. Then I need
Her.
ha. Very good. Eh,
I'm gonna tell you name.
eh,
Ah.
I need I got it. Then which sound we
What
need?
come after him? D. Ahmad. D.
Mud. Then we need a.
At.
A. We need a. And I got it. Then Ahmad. What is the ending sound, Ahmad?
Miss A-H-M-A-D.
A-H-M.
A-D.
Addy.
Addy. Addy. Because they are write it on the screen, na?
Okay, okay.